Welcome to Days at Dogwood Canyon, a nature podcast brought to you by Dogwood Canyon Audubon Center in Cedar Hill, Texas. This is a podcast that will take you into our 200-acre wildlife preserve in the heart of the DFW Metroplex. Take a quick weekly break with us and get outside with the fresh air, the trees, and of course, the birds. My name is Kiersten and I'm Center Coordinator Community Programs here at Dogwood Canyon Audubon Center. Welcome, listeners, to our Days at Dogwood Canyon podcast. This is a podcast about nature, birds, plants, and us. We'll talk about how we all rely on each other to live our best lives. Spring is just around the corner, and the first blooms are beginning to open. One of the first plants to bloom is the golden groundsel, Pacara aurea, golden groundsel, also known as golden ragwort and butterweed, is in the aster family. There are 16 species of groundsel in North America, and each one has slightly different leaf formations. In general, groundsel has stout, thick basal offshoots that creep horizontally and then send up erect flowering stems that can reach 1 to 3 feet in height. The small flowers are a deep golden yellow, hence the name golden groundsel, and they are daisy-like in appearance. The petals are thin and rounded at the edges, with the center of the flower slightly mounded. The basal leaves are heart-shaped, green on top, and purple below. Once the stem grows taller, the leaves found along that taller stem are lobed. Groundsel can be found in various habitats. Squaw weed, Pacara obovate, is found in upland forests. Prairie ragwort, Pacara plantensis. I'll let you guess where that one is found. You're right, it is found on dry bluffs and in prairies. Woolly ragwort, Pacara tomentosa, is found in open woods and fields along the coast. Golden groundsel's native range is from Quebec in Canada to Georgia, and as far west to Minnesota through Louisiana. In eastern North America, it is common from zones 3 to zone 9. Just to let you know, that includes almost all of the East Coast from the tippy top of Maine to mid-Florida. It also means that golden groundsel can survive almost all over the United States and southern Canada. This perennial evergreen herbaceous plant is found in meadows, shallow boggy depressions, and low woods. Golden groundsel can grow in sun, part shade, and shade. They're heat tolerant and can handle various ranges of moisture, including occasional flooding. They do prefer rich, acidic soil and have a high calcium carbonate tolerance. This sounds like the perfect plant for pretty much anywhere. This is an amazingly beautiful plant to add to your garden. When planted together with several individual golden groundsels or allowed to spread as a ground cover over a period of time, it makes for a lovely blanket of golden yellow in your landscape. It typically blooms from March to August, giving you lasting color through the spring and summer. It is flexible with its sunlight and moisture needs, so once you have it established, it will require very little maintenance on your part, and that is the beauty of many of our native plants. That's why I have them in my garden. Just as a reminder, I am a lazy gardener. It is an excellent pollinator plant and attracts bees, both honeybees and native bees, and our little butterflies. Where can you find golden groundsel at Dogwood Canyon Audubon Center? We have 2 places you can easily find this beautiful plant: in our prairie and our forest. I know, that really covers the entire 200-acre preserve, but it's true. You can find golden groundsel almost everywhere on our property. A great place to easily find it is on the path up to the building at the garden to the left of the Nature Play entrance, and on the path to the start of the West Loop Trail. I see plants there every year. Well, listeners, I hope to see you at a Dogwood Canyon Audubon Center soon, looking for that golden groundsel.